Alright guys, we're live here at NOVN Good to have you on, good to have you in. We did 41.9 today. Today is 7:21. I know I'm coming on at a weird time, but I wanted to get today's stream done with. What was the big volume names today? OMI. IMRN. Okay, guys, today's today 156. Wow, Instagram's dead. What's going on, J Pro? Then I'm gonna go change. What's going on, Risk Cruise? Did I save that? I don't think I did. So let's go here and go save. Come over here, 41.9K. Alright, let's see if I can find it here. 41.9, where are you? There you are. Cool. I have to resave that. My apologies. 41.99K. Change. What's going on? K middle. I am Alexis. 41.9. Where are you? Okay, there you are. Alright, save. Go like that. Okay, guys. We are live here. Tom Markham, hopefully you're in under 1 then. Alright, I'm going to tell people I'm live. What's going on, Memos? Sean, K Middle, Sue, what's going on, guys? Alright, then I just gotta post on social media quick and I'll be ready to go. What's going on, everybody? Good to have you on, good to have you in. I'll put the camera down, that way you guys can see my beautiful face. NOVN, OCGN, what's another runner today? OMI. MTP. Alright, guys. Good to be on, good to be in. We have officially, I can't believe I'm saying it this fast, but man, we have officially turned $1,000 into, do I got an echo? Mike. It doesn't really sound like it. We've officially turned $1,000 into 2. Let's get the exact numbers. And actually, it changed because I played Zom after hours for quick $800. So $1,000 have now been turned into $2,514,938.84. Today's gains are $41,033.35. Nope, it's actually $41,863.40. Because I played ZOM after hours. Hardly any size. I scalped it from like 17.4 up to like 19, or no, sorry, 17.4 up to like 18. Small scalp, and it ran almost to 20. It'll be interesting to see where that opens tomorrow. But yeah, so other than that, guys, you know, it's been fun to do this with you guys. It's been a fun journey. It's been a fun ride. Anybody been following me since the very beginning? Okay, anybody that been following me since the very beginning? If you have, let me know. Type 1. If you've been following me since the very beginning, let me know. Okay, cool. So we do have some OGs in here. K-Middle, you're welcome. Have you guys been following me? Who has all been following me since the beginning of this $1,000 account challenge? Okay. Now we're at over $2.5 million. We're over halfway there now to the $5 million goal. But who's been following me since the very beginning of this $1,000 to $5 million challenge? Type 1 or say you have. Okay, so we got a couple people. Not as many as I was thinking. Well, I mean, that's just the nature of trading, guys. You know, unfortunately, a lot of people, you know, it's the truth. 90% of people fail, and so we have about 10 people or so. Tommy Anderson following me since yesterday. Well, good to have you guys on. Good to have you guys in. Those of you guys coming on in here, you guys are seeing my $1,000 into 2.514 million. $938,084. So $2,514,938.84. Today's gains were $41,033.35, but that changed because I played a stock after hours. So okay, guys. So yeah, I mean, it's awesome. You know, I'm awesome. What's going on, Serverless Notes? Good to have you on. So yes, we've officially hit the halfway mark in this challenge, and it's just been a crazy couple months, guys. You know, that's all you can say. What's going on, Jesse Brooks? Yeah, so we're closing in on that $5 million mark. A lot of you guys follow me since, you know, later in the challenge. That's okay. I mean, as long as you guys are here. No, I didn't go to WSU. A lot of people notice my shirt, man. I just wear this. I wear this shirt so much. It's crazy. I gotta stop wearing it. It's just comfortable. I like wearing comfortable things. I like Lululemon. I like, you know, anything comfortable. I love. Yeah. So. Yeah, another green trading day, and honestly, today was a day. What's going on, Serious Profit? Love to have you on that one on YouTube and on here. Love it. Can't get enough of me. But $41,863.40 today. Click the link in the description above if you're interested in checking out the free chat room. Again, total profits now $2,514,938.84. All started with $1,000. I hope I'm motivating you. I hope I'm showing you guys what is possible in the markets. Yes, I started with $1,000. I never added. All I do is take profits out, never re-added or anything. It took me 2 or 3 months to get above 25K, but after that, never looked back. Or 2 months, NVUS on the scans. Let's go ahead and go over today's trading day. Today was a very textbook day for me. Okay, today was a day where I have learned how to trade from the beginning to the middle and to the end. And yes, my P&L wasn't quite as good as yesterday, but I learned how to trade from the beginning to the middle and to the end of the day. Okay, and it was a lot of scalping. Okay, it was a lot of buying dips and selling into the rips, buying the dips and selling into the rips, buying the dips and selling into the rips, and you're going to see that. I took a lot of trades today. Okay, but I only swing traded one play today, and that was Mark. Mark was my swing trade of the day. I was in at 130. Let's go back and look. Mark. Let's see. 136 was my average on Mark. And had a nice pop into the close. And I actually took, oops, there goes my trash can. I actually took my profits into that pop. I do still have Mark shares, actually a good amount of Mark shares at like 135. I added 135, 136 as well, my inherited IRA. Still holding those overnight because I do think that Mark is bottoming out here. Yeah, so I'm still in that one, but I did take profits in my challenge account nonetheless towards the end of the day. Yes, Mark, M-A-R-K. Okay, so you're going to see me out of the gates go long GENE. It was my favorite my favorite stock out of the gates. Saw it on my scanner. I went long 13,000 shares on GENE. Okay, so let's go ahead and look at that here. Pull my chart up here. All right, and then we'll make it bigger so you guys like that. All right, guys. So GENE, right? I like it because, first of all, one of my strategies that I use is former runner bounce plays. Okay, and this is a textbook former runner bounce. Okay, and so I see this gapping up on no news, and I'm like, okay, there's some interest here. There is definitely some interest here because just of the trickling of the pre-market, gapping up a little bit, and also seeing this move yesterday. Okay. There's some interest here. We were close to getting above that 480 line. That 480 line was where, you probably see a short squeeze. And this might not be done. Who knows? I've seen these things mid-candle breakout before. That's why I like them as well. But, so we go back and look at our trades. So GENE, we got in at 468. Okay? 468. I longed it right on this candlestick right there. On this white line you see. Literally, all it does is go straight up. So easy profits. If a stock goes straight up, it's pretty easy gains. I don't have to worry about any being red or, being red on a trade is what's hard, right? If you were a trader, wouldn't you always want to be green in a trade, right? Wouldn't you always want to be green in a trade? Wouldn't you not want to have to worry about being red at all? That's the way I trade, okay? I try and almost perfect my entry so I don't have to worry about a whole lot of risk and a whole lot of red in my trades and let the market pay out. Perfect example of that was CODX, but I screwed it up, and I'll go over that in a second. So, I'm long, and literally all I see is green, green, green. And then you're going to see me take off my position, 468, out 513, and I believe that was like a $5,000 gainer, something like that. And what was my... Okay, and I also had NBY overnight. So NBY, I started off the day down $7,000, okay? So I'm sitting here, I'm like, at NBY, I think they had an offering or something like that, and I got stuck in it. My average was 160 on that overnight, and of course, I don't hold anything overnight for a while, and then I get stuck in an offering. That's why overnights are great, but they're also, I'm very weary of stocks that are already up because offerings can happen. If you haven't already, smash that like button, man. Just keep clicking it. Smash it. Smash that like button. Appreciate that. Also, click the icon to alert when I make new videos. But then, as I see that position, I'm like, all right, I'm gonna cut it. Mental capital, got to preserve. I'm out $7,000 red on the day already. But GENE made up for about 4,000 of that. Okay. Then I get long CEI. CEI, I got out a 102, decent size, another couple $1,000 winner. And then NKLA, I believe I took a small win on NKLA here. I was long on that one. Oh, no. Wait, no. I bought NKLA at 40.64, out 41.01 for a nice little winner. At this point, only down a couple thousand. Okay, ABIO didn't really work out. Took a small little loss on that one, I remember. MBRX, small winner. Actually, I think it was potentially break even because I got stopped out under my position. AZ trade, yes. I got long AIM. At what price? 359, out 365, or out 363. IBIO, some trades. So again, I'll scroll up so you guys can see all my trades. A lot of scalping today, guys. IMRN, a decent winner, could have made a lot more. I got long at 670, out at 717. I actually kept some to 731. That's pretty impressive. Ran all the way to 755. EPT. CODX was my biggest winners of the day. CODX, I played non-stop today. BIOL, I took about a $2,000 or $3,000 loser on. But let's go ahead and go over CODX today, guys. Okay, CODX, I traded so many times today, and that's probably accounts for, I would say, 25,000 of my profits today. I literally bought CODX. Let's see, let's go back and look. CODX. Market buys, 10,000 shares. 1938 at what time? 10:12. I know it was like right in here. Yep, right here. Literally, I bought CODX, or no. Okay, no, I saw it on the scanner. And I saw it on the scanner. How does that make any sense? 9:12? That's not right. 15, there we go, 15. 15. So I saw this one on the scanner, okay? And immediately when I saw it on the scanner, those of you guys who don't know, this is my scanner. It's available on my website. You have trade ideas in the link description below. This is my scanner, okay? Have it on every day. It's the first thing I turn on every day. It's my eyes and my ears to the market, okay? Those of you guys on Instagram Live, I'll turn the camera around. That's my scanner. Have it on every day. Also, there's my webcam for YouTube. You're welcome. But yeah, so I have my scanner on every day. This thing got caught on the scanner, and immediately I went long because I like the concept of this chart. Look at this chart, guys. Break up, and now we're just building higher lows, higher lows. Basically, once you get above 1980, you have a breakout on the chart. Beautiful looking chart. I also know that coronavirus stocks have been hot as of late, so that helped me as well make my decision. It's kind of like a little bit of sector strength and then a little bit of chart as well. Kind of helped my decision there. I saw it on the scanner. I believe it came up on both my momentum scanner and my... I'd have to go back and look. Jordan usually can find those for me. But it was my momentum or my parabolic volume spike. I think it was the volume spike, but I'm not sure. So today I went long on it. First long. Right out of the gates, I'm long big size, 10,000 shares, 1938. I actually got long on that red candlestick right there. Pretty much nailed the bottom on that red candlestick. I don't like chasing, so I waited for a red wick and I got long. You're going to see that. And I got filled 10,000 shares. Look, CODX, 10,000 shares, 1938, 6887, market order, okay. So I got filled on that red candlestick. This thing popped up straight away to 1978. Then I'm holding. I like the chart. I know how far these has been extended in the past. No problem holding it. Again, right away, I'm green. Oops, sorry about that, guys, on the YouTube there. Right away, I'm green. Okay, right away. Okay. Then no worries. I'm not worrying about anything. All I am is buying it and being in the green. How is that stressful? It's not. But the only thing that is stressful is when you're looking at a huge P&L. A huge P&L curve is definitely something that I look at. Okay. If I'm up right away like 20,000, 30,000, it's hard not to just take it off and let the chart talk for itself. This is why I talked about size being so important, guys. Size is everything. If I'm in this trade and I have like 2,000 shares, I'd probably hold it maybe all day because I like a swing trade. But if I take size, and I see big P&Ls, I want to take that money off the table because anything can happen, right? So size is a big part of trading, and it could be the biggest because mentally and emotionally it could change the way you think, and I know it does for me. I know it does for pretty much everyone. When you take size, you don't let the chart pan out, okay? You don't let the bigger picture unfold most of the time, okay? That's because you're sitting here watching P&L curves go like this, and you're not letting the bigger picture form, okay? I did my best to let the bigger picture form, and I'm doing my best to do that with size now. I have a $350,000 trading account, so it's easy to, you know, take size and run with it, right? So CODX, I was pretty proud of myself. I held it pretty good. I got CODX. My first trade in it was 1938, and I told myself on the break at $20, I'm out. We broke $20, and I was out. Literally 6 minutes later, and that's the beauty of small caps, mid cap trading, guys. 6 minutes later, I was up, I believe, another $7,000. So right through the break of 20 here, right through that break, I was out. And it kept going without me, okay? Now, my second entry, guys, I didn't get any FOMO. That's the key. Don't get FOMO. Let it go. If this thing keeps going, let it go. There's not really any dips here. I'm not interested in that. There's no clear pullbacks. There's no clear consolidation. All this is pretty much just buyers, 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 okay? I'm not going to buy into that, so I let it pan out. I let the trade pan out. Bigger picture, right? You're going to see me long. My second trade, I waited on it. I was patient, okay? And then my CODX trade. So, bought, and then sold. So, basically, I was in, and then I was like, okay, I'm getting FOMO. Can't do that, right? And I didn't feel comfortable with the trade. Let's see what the next CODX trade was. Come on, come on, come on, come on. That's a sell. CODX, where are you? Okay, so I bought back on a dip. Okay, here it is, right here. Okay, so I waited a full about an hour and a half to let the chart pan out. Bigger picture, right? 2007, 2005, and 2010. Okay, 5,000 shares long. Boom. What is it? How much is that? That's a $100,000 position, right? I let the chart pan out, and guess what? I was longing right in here. Wait, hold on. Let me make sure. No, I think it was that exact bottom there. 1144 and 1143. Yeah. So I was longing right in here. I was like, okay, first sell-off, second sell-off, third sell-off, and finally we got a fourth sell-off. Okay, and once this happened, I was like, okay, if it goes any lower, I'm out. If it goes below $20, I'm out. I think it's done with. If we stay above $20, I'm okay with hanging on. Whole dollar resistance level or support level. Okay, 1 breakdown, 2 breakdown, 3 breakdown, fourth slip up, and then recover, right? So I long literally on this candlestick right here at 843 underneath 2010. Okay, about a 2008 average. I let it pan out. I have no stress on the table. If I stop out, I stop out for a couple $100 loser. If I win, it's probably $5,000-$6,000 winner. Let this chart pan out again, and I'm out right in here just before the break of a whole dollar. Okay. And then, you know, through here, I have no interest anymore. Again, not enough consolidation. Actually, screw that. I think I took a trade on that dip. Sorry about that. So that was my clear trade there, and that was my best trade. So I market bought 2168, 1224, okay, or 1233, 2168, 1233. Where is that? 2168. Where are you? 2168. Where the hell are you? Where in the... Oh, I think it was right here. Yeah, I was right. Yeah, no, that's not right. I know I took a trade right there, though. Okay, I'm long 2168.88. 3,000 shares. Notice how I sized down because I'm probably not buying on dips very well. 1233. 2168. Where the hell's 2168? Okay, yeah. So I sized down because I was chasing. but I liked it because it broke above high today with volume. Okay, then I chased it with small size. If it dipped, I gave myself more size to add. Then I sold off into that wick, I think. 1246. I actually sold off into that wick right there. Okay, I was gonna sell on the break of 22, but I didn't get a chance. But still profit there. Okay. What else? CODX. I'm just giving you guys an example to try and learn from. Okay. And then lastly, guys, my last trade on CODX. Let it pan out all day. And man, would I have had a huge win here. Okay. This is one of my. This would have been probably the biggest win of the day if I would have held it. Okay. This is what I show you guys in chat and on StockTwits and Twitter, all my social media. I saw 14 red candlesticks in a row. 14 red candlesticks in a row, guys. Yes, you heard right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Sure, I counted it out. Maybe I don't know how to use my fingers. I don't care. All I know how to do is trade. Okay? So, coming down here, 14 red candlesticks, right? Also, VWAP coming into play. Also, bigger picture, I think this continued tomorrow. Okay, in my mind, I thought we can continue into tomorrow. So when I saw 14 red candlesticks in a row, okay, this is something that I go over in my video series course. Okay, those of you guys don't know, I have a strategy course that teaches you guys all my strategies to help me turn all the strategies that I use to help me turn 1,000 into just over 2.5 million, 156 business days. Also, on the video series course, we are adding 2 more live trading videos today. You heard it, 2 more live trading videos today. And I was up about 80 to 90,000 on one of those trades, and I was explaining myself through those trades. Those of you guys who already have the course, you're welcome. You guys have been asking for it. I've been trying to give you guys more live trading. I know you guys want to see me trade live on YouTube. I'm not about it. I don't want anybody piggybacking off me. I don't want you guys buying and running it up and causing what we call artificial volume. Okay? I just don't like that. It's not the way I want to trade in life. I don't want any of that. I want you guys to learn and be self-sufficient. 2 more live trades are added there today on my video series course. Check that out. But again, 14 red candlesticks in a row. So I'm longing right here, I believe. Okay? And I'm adding the whole damn way down. I am adding all the way down. And I added my whole entire account. Okay? You guys can see my ads. Where am I at? I'm not going to hide anything from you guys. So, CODX. 2156. 2156. Sheesh. 2135. Where the heck are you, CODX? Okay, so 2182 was my first ads. No, it wasn't. Not at all. 2135, 2134, 2150, 2160, right? You can see on my buys there. This isn't it. This is not it. Sorry, guys. Here we are. So I start adding on CODX at 21. Where am I buying? Is this it? 2166, 2157, 2144, 2133, 2129. Look at me add this bad boy all the way down. I had a terrible average at that point, okay? I had almost a $400,000 position right here buying on this all the way down with a 2055 average. I swear my average should have been like 2040, but I don't know what happened. It just gave me that average, okay? So 14 red candlesticks in a row, and in my mind all day I'm thinking this could be a swing trade going into tomorrow. So when I see 9 red candles in a row, I'm like, okay, this thing's due to snap back. 10 red candles in a row, snap back. My mindset says this is going to run into tomorrow, so I'm buying into these 14 red candles, thinking that this is a swing trade. The chart says it. The coronavirus stocks have been hot. The volume is there. There's a lot of things going for it, and on top of that, we are getting 14 red candlesticks in a row. Okay? I don't think I've seen that in a very long time. This was a gift. And look, it proved it out being a gift. It closed strong. I was in with an average of 2055 with $380,000 position. Okay? I held through all of this. I held through this. I held through this. I held through this. Once we got up here, I sold all out. And I told myself to hold into the close because I do think this could retest high day or at least start grinding back up because I think this is going to be a great swing trade. Well, size got under my skin. Didn't want to see myself go back in the red. Wanted to close the day off above $40,000. Wanted to close the day off green with my last trade of the day. Paid myself. And if I would have held that trade, that could have been a $20,000 plus trade. Okay? But it's all about trading, guys. Emotional, psychological. What can you handle? What can't you handle? Is this trade going to work out for you? Is it not? You're going to make mistakes along the way, but make sure that you're trading with a strategy, a plan, and a process, guys. Okay? You have to have those things in order to trade. Okay? Strategy, plan, process. Make sure, and this is what I was talking to someone about yesterday. Or the other day. Start small. Why not start with $100, $10? Prove your strategy works. Compile everything that doesn't work. Throw it away. Okay, you might blow up your first account. $10, who cares? Throw everything else that doesn't work away. You might blow up your second account. $10. Throw up everything in the third account. Okay, $10. Now you're only down $30. You've blown 3 accounts, but now you have a pile worth of stuff that didn't work, right? Now you're refining your strategies. Finally, you have a $10 account. You're starting to making 15, 20, 25, 30. Okay, and as you grow and get better as a trader, that account will grow. There's no reason to not grow the account and take off with it, right? Because eventually you'll have something there as long as your strategies continue to work. But people just try and give yourself too much of, you're like, okay, I need to make thousands and thousands of dollars. Okay, I need to make big money. Okay, I need to make it back all day, right? Wrong. All right? Those of you guys who are interested in learning my strategies, I have a course. Spent over a year and a half of my life on it. I've thought about creating a hedge fund, yes, but will I ever? Probably not, no. Too much. I would rather just trade my own money and be the size of a hedge fund. Why? It doesn't make any sense, you know. I don't need someone else's money to prop me up. Why not motivate myself to make my own money to get to a hedge fund level and then trade like a hedge fund? I don't see any reason why you have to be a hedge fund trader unless you're taking the easy way out. I would rather create an opportunity for myself and get myself into that position of having hedge fund money and rather than learning the whole way through, rather than starting with huge amount of capitals, again, working for someone else usually, or even if I'm not, still, I don't need someone else's money, because if I can create that money, then why not I trade that? And that's what motivates me to trade with that much size. I don't need someone else's money. I can create that for myself, and that's what I envision for myself in the future, is create. And as you guys saw in my article, I want to trade like a hedge fund eventually. Okay? And sure, maybe I'll have a team. Maybe I'll have a team by then of traders who maybe I'll have an office where we can kind of bounce ideas back and forth. But right now, I'm just doing this all on my own, guys. I'm teaching you guys to be the best traders that I can know how to do. To take out... I feel like I've seen you before, Swilk. Do you take out when you need be or wait till year's end? If you guys read my article, every $100,000 in profits that I make, I pull 75 and then raise my buying power 25,000. So now technically I'm supposed to raise my buying power to 375,000, but I'm not quite there yet. So I want to wait till I hit 2.6 million before I raise my buying power up to 375,000. And I have that discretionary on myself. If I don't feel comfortable enough, if I start to get a little bit of feeling a drop in my stomach, then I'm not going to trade with that much size. There's no reason to stress myself out. Okay. If you guys are interested in my course, teaches you guys, and I just added 2 new videos today to this course. Okay, 2 new live trading videos. One of the P&Ls is up $80,000 or $90,000 at one point. I'm giving you guys full walkthroughs of my trades. You guys see exactly what I'm going through on those trades. Watch that. If you're interested in my course and interested in learning my strategies, it's available. Check it out. Spent over a year and a half of my life on it. It's cheaper than student loans, cheaper than student debt, and you're investing in your education. And if you talk to a CPA, you might be able to write it off. All right, guys. If you're interested in a brokerage, check out the link in the description below. It pays you to be a part of them. If you're interested in being on a brokerage that pays you free stock, check the link in the description below. It can pay you up to $1,400 in free stock. It's 100% legit. People in Instagram have used it. People on YouTube guarantee you have used it. They've been paid. I guarantee it. I wouldn't be referring you guys if they don't. Check that link out if you're interested in checking out that brokerage. I actually do like Webull better than Robinhood, but I don't know if I like it better than E-Trade. Definitely on the phone, I like it better. As a platform, not so much. All right, guys. That's all I have. Damn, I've been on here 34 minutes. Please like and subscribe to the channel. Again, guys, I do this 100% for free. I don't have to come on here every day. People that are doing what I'm doing I have yet to meet someone who does what I do for free. They don't have free chat rooms. They especially don't come on here and give you guys what they've traded today and analysis on why they've traded it. Again, that's usually for paid students, paid a different type of courses and classes and things like that. But I'm trying to give you guys the opportunity that a lot of these guys don't have. So please like and subscribe to the channel. It means a ton to the community. Click the icon to learn if I make new videos. Cheers, team.